Gents, hello, welcome to the vlog. Give low. How is everybody doing today? How is everybody doing today? Good, I hope. Good, I hope. Good, I hope. Good, I hope. I am cruising like a motherfucker. Oh, too fast. Too quick. No time to waste. No time to waste. What is it today? Monday. Oh yeah, I'm off of work for a week. It's pretty funny. I have a week off and my damn boss, my new boss, just can't freaking help herself. She cannot help herself. She literally just has to give me work. So even though I'm like, I'm leaving for a week, she was like, oh, so when you're back in a week, here is what you're gonna have to do. XYZ. Please come with me to this meeting and that meeting. I'm gonna need this report and that report. And I'm just like, damn, B, can I live? Can I live, bro? Like, should have waited till I'm back to tell me all that stuff. But you know what? It don't matter. Because... oh, you son of a bitch. Thanks. It's okay. Don't matter. But yeah, I'm like, now I'm like, I just, that lady just can't help herself. She can't let people just have fun. She has to make people work for it. You know what I mean? She just has to make people work for it. But it's okay. It's alright. I don't even know what this vlog is about, just because I'm cooking it so well. I'm cooking it so well where this one is about riding. It's so nice to be able to ride for once, you know, instead of freak out about traffic and splitting and all that stupid stuff. This is what riding is really all about, just working the throttle, not the brakes. And here's where everything slows down to a crawl, because life is too good to be true. So I'm about to get home, about to pack for my trip, and that's gonna be a good time. Gonna get all my stuff ready, charge all the cameras. I'm bringing the drone, and it's gonna be a good time. It's gonna be a damn good time. Short little Monday. It looks like it's about to rain or snow or something. Who knows? Hard to determine the kind of precipitation that will follow, but it's all good. Look at all this. A Suzuki car. Wow. Don't see these often. What possesses somebody to buy a Suzuki, I wonder, as far as like a car goes? Something, they're trying to go for something unique, I guess. Yeah. There we are. That was like a really, really speedy fucking commute. Woo! There was some good moves on there. The bike feels good. All right. That was good. That was good. And even the things that my bossy boss asked me to do are not that crazy. You know, I'm just doing my job. I'll call this vlog the job bitchin'. Bitchin' about the job, you know? All good. And that was a nice little commute. I did like this little commute. Except it's still cold. Except it's still cold. So I wouldn't say like this was pleasant or anything. But you know, what you gonna do? I can't wait to see what this park turns out to be. They're rebuilding this whole park right here, so that should be cool. It should be all right. All right, here we go. Look at these people hesitating. But you got a cool license plate though. What else do you possibly need besides a cool license plate? Skills? Nah. Well, this was a good time. As always, thank you much for watching and for commenting and blah blah blah. All the good things. Really appreciate you coming along for the ride. Go ahead. You got it. Go ahead. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Alright, that's it. I'll talk to you guys soon. And ladies, of course. And ladies. Bye-bye.